Inside your body right now, there are machines so advanced that every engineer on Earth is jealous. They're smaller than anything we can build, yet they're powering every breath you take, every thought you think, and every movement you make. These aren't just proteins floating around, they're molecular motors, and they're the hidden machinery of life that makes you possible. Meet kinesin, the delivery truck of your cells. This tiny motor protein literally walks on two legs along microscopic highways called microtubules, carrying cargo from one side of the cell to the other. It takes precise steps, 1 nanometer at a time, powered by ATP, the energy currency of life. When kinesin walks, it's not drifting or floating. It's deliberately placing one foot in front of the other, just like you do, except it's doing this at a scale billions of times smaller. Then there's ATP synthase, nature's rotary engine. This molecular turbine sits in your mitochondria and spins at incredible speeds, up to 9,000 rotations per minute. As it spins, it manufactures ATP molecules that power literally everything in your body. Without this tiny motor spinning right now inside trillions of your cells, you'd have about 3 seconds to live. It's the ultimate perpetual motion machine, except it's real and it's inside you. Your muscles? They're powered by myosin motors that grab onto actin filaments and pull them, creating the contractions that let you move. Billions of these motors working in perfect synchronization are what allow you to lift your arm, run a marathon, or even blink your eyes. Each myosin motor completes its power stroke in just 5 milliseconds, and they never get tired of working together. But here's what's truly mind-blowing. These molecular motors are more efficient than any machine humans have ever built. They convert chemical energy into mechanical work with nearly 100% efficiency. Our best electric motors barely reach 90%. They self-assemble, self-repair, and operate in the chaotic, crowded environment of a living cell where they navigate around obstacles, respond to signals, and coordinate with millions of other molecular machines. Scientists are now trying to build artificial molecular motors, but we're still decades behind what nature figured out billions of years ago. These tiny engines prove that biology isn't just ahead of our technology. In many ways, it's still unmatched. The most sophisticated machines ever created aren't in laboratories or factories. They're inside you, working every single second to keep you alive.